to make a hair mask at home for hair growth with argan oil and coconut oil. Coconut oil and argan oil is an ideal combination for hair growth. Both oils can penetrate the hair shaft and nourish from within. They can repair damage and protect it from UV radiation. Here is how to prepare and use the mask. Mix 10 drops of argan oil and 2 tablespoons coconut oil and keep it aside. Then, comb your hair. Now, apply the oil mixture to your hair and scalp. Concentrate more on the lower half of the hair. After applying the oil throughout your hair, comb your hair again to distribute the oil mixture evenly. Then, tie your hair up in a knot and wear a hair cap. Leave it on for 30 minutes and wash off. You can even leave it overnight. Shampoo your hair the next morning. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.